Welcome, today I am with TCL ACTV 500 True Wireless Sound earbuds, and I will show you the process of reset these earbuds. So, at the first, we have to take them off from the connected devices in our smartphone. So, when you got them on the Bluetooth settings, just tap on the settings icon, click disconnect, and after that click forget and confirm forget device at the bottom. Right now, what you have to do? At the first, you have to simply grab both earbuds and you have to press this button for 8 seconds on the right. At the first, click and hold for 8 seconds. And after that, when this indicator is not blinking, it means that they are turned off. We have to do the same for this one, but this one is already turned off. But if this indicator is blinking like that, you can press it for the 8 seconds and it will be turned off. So I'm going to do it right now. As you can see right now, they are turned off. So the next step, we have to press both earbuds for 10 seconds, and the best way is to make it at the same time. So click and hold both buttons for the 10 seconds. Let's make it right now. Okay, and right now when you hear that notification sound that they are active, and you will get also this notification blinks, it means that the first steps is complete. And right now, after a few seconds, they will be in the pairing mode. So take a look, when you refresh the list, they are here and we can simply connect them to our Android smartphone. Click pair. And as you can see right now, we are finally connected. So basically that's how we can make reset of the TCL ACTV 500 True Wireless Sound earbuds, and also how you can fix connection problem. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.